Welcome to our comprehensive guide on harnessing the power of the latest TikTok update. In this tutorial, we will show you how to speed up TikTok videos 2x. With the latest features and improvements, TikTok continues to evolve, and knowing how to make the most of these upgrades can allow you to watch videos up to 2 times faster. So, whether you're a beginner, follow our steps to learn how to speed up videos 2x with the latest update. The first thing we need to do is check if our TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store and find the TikTok app. If you see Update instead of Open, it means your TikTok is not updated to the latest version. Click on Update and wait for the update to finish. If you see Open, like I do, click there to open TikTok. Select the video you want to speed up. There's the first method that's already known to everyone. Click on the arrow icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then, find the playback speed option and click on it. A menu with multiple options will appear, allowing you to speed up the clip 2 times, 1.5 times, or 0.5 times. You can speed it up this way, but now, I'll show you a much simpler and faster method. Go back to the video. Now, all you need to do is click on the video on the right side and hold it, and your video will immediately speed up 2 times. When you release your finger from the screen, the video will continue at its normal speed, and you can do this as many times as you want. That's it for this video. We hope we've helped you learn how to speed up your TikTok video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.